Welcome everyone to the Discovery Zone. Today we'll be diving into a captivating topic. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the heart of our solar system. We'll explore what would happen if the gas giant Jupiter collided with a black hole. Are you ready to experience the incredible? It's time for one of the most monumental battles our solar system has ever witnessed. In this corner stands the mighty gas giant and heavyweight, Jupiter. And in the opposite corner, we have an infinitesimally small yet truly terrifying black hole. What fate awaits these formidable rivals as they hurtle towards each other? Why would this cataclysmic event lead to Earth being bombarded by asteroids? And could this spell the end for our entire solar system? Welcome to Discovery Zone, where we explore what would happen if Jupiter collided with a black hole. But before we delve into the fight, let's take a moment to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each contender. Let's begin with our solar system's favorite, Jupiter. Located about 740 million kilometers away from the Sun, this gas giant holds the title of the largest planet in our system. It's approximately 318 times more massive than Earth, and outweighs all the other planets in our neighborhood combined. However, appearances can be deceiving, especially when compared to its opponent. Contrary to its size, Jupiter isn't as heavy as one might think. On the other hand, black holes, particularly stellar black holes, are significantly smaller than our gas giant, but possess an astonishing amount of power. The key characteristic of black holes is their density. They contain all their matter within an infinitesimally small singularity, where the laws of time and space cease to exist. Like any massive object, black holes exhibit an immense gravitational force. Most black holes are remnants of massive stars and range from 3 to 10 times the mass of our Sun. If a black hole with 10 times the mass of the Sun were to appear in our solar system, it would only span a mere 60 kilometers across. So does our gas giant Jupiter stand a chance against this tiny yet immensely powerful adversary? Or will it simply be swallowed by the black hole's point of no return? Everything in the universe is in constant motion, hurtling through space at breakneck speeds. Our Sun and the rest of the solar system are no exceptions, as we travel at approximately 720,000 kilometers per hour through the cosmos. Amidst this galactic dance, it's possible for another star to come close enough to influence the outer regions of our solar system. Or even worse, for us to encounter one of the billions of black holes roaming the Milky Way galaxy. Admittedly, the chances of such an encounter are slim, considering that the closest star in our vicinity is over 4 light-years away. Scientists estimate that there's only a 1% likelihood of another star disrupting the edges of our solar system. The probability of a rogue star coming close enough to interfere with Jupiter is even lower, albeit not impossible. In the hypothetical scenario of a rogue black hole approaching our solar system, its gravitational pull would first disrupt the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell surrounding our system filled with icy objects. However, these mountain-sized ice cubes would offer little resistance against the black hole's immense power as they were dragged along in its wake. This would be the initial indication that a catastrophic collision with Jupiter is inevitable. The gravitational intruder would continue its path through the Kuiper Belt, wreaking havoc along the way. Many icy objects, including Pluto, a dwarf planet, would be ejected from their orbits. Earth would face a more serious threat as numerous objects from the Kuiper Belt would now be on a collision course with our planet. As the black hole passed by Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn, their gases would be torn away, forming an accretion disk of superheated gas and dust around the intruder. If the black hole ventured too close to any of these planets, they too would face the risk of being ejected from their orbits. Finally, the black hole would set its sights on Jupiter, initiating an immediate assault on the gas giant's atmosphere. Hydrogen and helium gases would be mercilessly pulled away from Jupiter, akin to unraveling yarn from a yarn ball. Eventually, the entire planet would succumb to the black hole's gravitational pull. It would be an inherently unfair fight from the start, with Jupiter unable to land a single blow. And if all this destruction isn't violent enough, brace yourself. As the black hole feasted on Jupiter's abundant gas, it would unleash a cataclysmic wave of ultraviolet and X-ray radiation in all directions, akin to a supermassive burp infused with deadly radiation. This lethal radiation would hurtle towards Earth, showering us with lethal amounts of radioactive material in less than an hour. However, on the bright side, we would finally witness the presence of a black hole in our sky. The stability we once enjoyed in our solar system would be shattered, as the black hole consumed everything in its path, including our planet. In the unlikely event that we somehow managed to evade the full force of the black hole's destructive power, our solar system would be left desperately searching for a new gravitational equilibrium. Jupiter played a crucial role in our neighborhood, warding off asteroids and comets that could potentially collide with us and the other inner planets. It also aided in maintaining Earth's nearly circular orbit around the Sun. Without Jupiter's protective influence, our fragile home in space would not endure for long. But let's not deceive ourselves. What are the chances that this black hole would devour Jupiter and then come to an abrupt halt? Slim to none. It would be relentless in its pursuit, ultimately coming for us as well. We would bear witness to what would happen if we were sucked into the event horizon of a black hole. Unless, of course, we possessed the ability to travel faster than the speed of light. Otherwise, our annihilation would be nothing short of horrifying. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a comment and subscribe. See you at the next adventure.